Hi guys, in this short video I want to show you how you can use Google and AI through Gemini to create a storyboard for your commercial. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to the address bar and I'm going to type in gemini.google.com. You need to be signed in with your FVCC account. And the first thing we need to do is we need to enter a prompt into Gemini, and really this assignment is learning how to give the right prompts to Gemini to create what you want. So the prompt I'm going to give it is I want to create a storyboard for a commercial that is 45 to 60 seconds in length, selling a soft fleece Pendleton blanket. Give me 10 ideas for this commercial. And I'm going to press submit. And Gemini is going to say, okay, let's brainstorm ideas. Here are the current themes that they're working on, and here are storyboard ideas for you. Now, I just asked it to give me these brainstorming ideas, but if you have an idea already, you don't have to go through this section, but you might want to just to see what you can come up with. And I am going to ask it to, let's see, which one do I like? I like this morning ritual number 6, so I'm going to say, okay, expand on number 6 with a complete story arc and camera shots and actions. Sometimes it creates an image for you. You don't need to worry about it. It says sure. And it says, here's a complete storyboard. So it's giving me my camera shots, actions, and audio. And it's even giving me a voiceover for some of them. So it's telling me we have somebody, a hand moving, the woman gets out of bed, she takes a deep breath, she's pouring coffee. Okay, give me 3 more scenes and emphasize that the woman is cold before she has her blanket. Now give me all scenes together without images. So this is what it's giving me. Maybe I like all of it, maybe I don't. I can work with each scene, so I could say, let's go to I'm going to say change the camera action camera shot for scene 2. So you can see with this how I've revised some of my scenes and I'm starting to get an idea of what I want to do. Once you have all your scenes and you've worked all of them out, you can then go into your storyboard. So let's say I like my revised scene 2. I can copy my scene 2 and I can throw it into my storyboard. That's scene 1. Scene 2 will go here. And also within Gemini, I could say, okay, give me the full commercial with a little less text. So now it's just a little less. Maybe you want it to be more detailed, but whatever you want for your storyboard is fine. I'm going to copy this scene 2 and throw it into my storyboard. And then I'm going to use AI to try to generate an image for this. So I'm going to say, give me an image of a woman moving to a dresser and putting a blanket around her. So there we go. I'm going to say that's good. I'm going to go ahead and copy that image and I'm going to throw that into my storyboard. And I'm going to go back and I'm going to look at scene number 1, a close-up. So I'm going to say, give me a close-up image of a Pendleton fleece blanket. Sometimes Gemini says they can't do images, but you just have to prompt it and say, yes, you can. You can give me an image, and it will give you an image eventually. There it is. So that's going to be my first image. And I'm going to put that right here. So you get the idea that I can go back to Gemini and I can go to my scene 1 and I can put that into my storyboard. So in this assignment, I really want you to work on talking to Gemini, feeding it the right prompts to get what you want for your commercial that you're going to create next week. If you have any questions, let me know. I hope you have fun with this assignment and I'll see you later.